PYT 26 of Obsidian. First off the line, this stuff has been absolutely loaded. Absolutely loaded. Beyond loaded. Beyond. Good luck. Good luck. Guess the first Contra of any kind. For 20. And we're going right into select FOTL PYC 20. Take your pick your teams. All right, it's been a while since we've seen certain players. I'm not going to say who. Let's see some of these players. We're going up to at least 30. Higher if we have the legs. This is 26. Take them all. This stuff is loaded. They didn't make hardly any of it. They hardly make anything of this stuff. Paul, Wesley, quickly. Here's a nice PC piece. Musa, Clippers. It's a PC piece. Then we have Kispert, Wizards to 35. Case hit insert of Kevin Durant. It's a virtuous. For the Suns, it's a virtuous. Nice hit, Thundercats. And here's a nice exclusive. It's Chet. The exclusive, 11 of 16. Nice piece. Nice first box. Virtuous, nice exclusive. Craziness. Craziness. Crazy. D'Lo. Robinson, Freed. If you like to hit, this is your team. David Roddy. Nice patches. So Pedros. We have Oubre for the Hornets. They hit like crazy too, to 99. And then James Harden, Thunder, Tunnel Vision to 99. The last team gets a nice piece. Jason Tatum, Ticks. Sefru, nice piece. 15 of 16. B.I. Dirk. Rookie ink blue Floyd of Nemhard for the Pacers. T-Bar. It's a beautiful card when he gets it in hand. Pacers. He got 15th in that tournament. 15th. So he did solid. For 15th for $125,000. Willie Green, Philly. And then we have Sohan, Purple Orbital to 99, and then a Roddy. Exclusive. All right, start seeing some top tiers. Start seeing some top tiers. It's an O. Bol. Contra RPA of Branham for the Spurs. Those are really, really nice. Then we have Toscano for the Jazz to 149. Equinox of Ja. And then Trey Murphy Pelicans. Benedict, Lillard, Rodman. This team just hits like crazy. How about a Sohan for the Spurs to 16 with the disgusting patches? Disgusting patches. To 149, Zaire. Then we have Ja. And it's Kevin Durant. Last pack. Last pack. Good luck. Last pack. We have Bull, Johnny Davis, LaMelo. To 16, Keels for the Knicks. And to 99, ooh, Bob McAdoo. Here's an ooh. We have a Volcanics of LeBron for Paschke. Nice piece. And then the Suns have themselves a break. They get Steve Nash. That is the break. That is the break. We've seen better. It's been a lot better. That was like for any other product, that's a good break. For this product, and then Paschke, since it's a case hit, will beat the sort. Don't get confused if we have a lot of other big cards that are not in there. But since that's a case hit, we'll beat the sort that. And the Spurs are going to beat the sort. Take 27 and 28. Nice Chet. Nice Tatum. Nice. And then Contra RPA, the big chase. So Sohan and Branham. Disgusting. All right, we're going to start taking out the packs.